So HTML for beginners course. In my previous video, we talked about HTML introduction and how to set up our coding environment. In this video, we will look into the basic HTML tags. We'll also talk about headings and paragraphs. HTML offers 6 levels of headings from H1 to H6, with H1 being the most important. Paragraphs are created using the P tag. So now let's demonstrate what I've just explained. I've just opened up the Visual Studio Code where we have the HTML anatomy or the HTML boilerplate. So here, I'll just change the title for the document to HTML tags. Okay, so in the body section, I'm going to add H1. So it's going to be less than sign H1 and then close off the sign. And in between, I'm going to say the main heading. So this is the main heading, H1. So to view this in my browser, I'll just go to Live Server. So if I click on Live Server, it's going to take me directly to my browser, but I don't want to go to that route. So what I'm going to do is going to minimize this, go to my folder where I have the HTML file, and then I'm going to double click on that file. So if I double click on the file, I now have my main heading. Okay, so you can see it is in bold, and of course it is big. So let's check the H2 elements. Less than sign H2, close it, and I'll write this is heading. So here H3, this is heading. Just say next. This final H5. This is H5. Lastly, I have H6. This is. Now let's check out the browser and see how it appears. I'm going to refresh and boom, this is it. So let me just zoom in so you can see it very well. Okay, so this is the 6 levels of heading: H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. Alright, so now let's look at the paragraph. So I'm going to remove from H2, and then I'm going to say less than sign P, I close it. I say this is the first paragraph. This is your first paragraph. Let's check the browser. So if I refresh, have this is your first paragraph. Awesome. So let me zoom in so you can see it very well. So that's the paragraph. So I can add another paragraph. This is this is the paragraph. Okay, let's check the browser again. Amazing. Now, if I want to get some default paragraph without typing anything, I'll just say lorem and I press enter. So this is going to generate default paragraphs for me. So when I check the browser and refresh, I have some default paragraph listed for me. So this is, we have learned two tags, the H, the heading tags, and the paragraph, the P tag that stands for paragraph. Okay, so this is how far we're going to go for this video. So like content like this, do not like and subscribe, and I'm going to see you in the next video.